Every board meeting, you review P&L, growth metrics, and market share. But there is one area that acts as a silent tax on your company, your recruitment engine. If it's inefficient, it's not just a delay in headcount, it's a delay in your strategic roadmap. I'm Torbe Moulton, and I partner with executive teams to bridge the gap between business strategy and human capital. Today, we're looking at the recruitment audit, how it works, why it matters, and how to stop leaking capital. So, why is this coming up now? It's because the spray and pray recruitment models of the past are dead. We are operating in a market that demands precision. If your internal hiring team is still operating with the same workflows from 3 years ago, you aren't just slower, you're losing the best talent to your competitors who have optimized their candidate journey. My audit is built on 4 pillars. First up, we have strategic alignment. We look at your pipeline through the lens of your 26 and 27 goals. Are you hiring for specific roles or for the capabilities that are going to scale your business in the future? Secondly, we look at process bottlenecks. We take a look at the journey and we map it out. Where do candidates drop off? Is it at interview stage? Is it during the feedback loop? Usually the bottleneck is cultural. The team isn't aligned on what great looks like. And I've seen this happen time and time again in my career, where there's a complete difference in expectations between the leadership team, the hiring manager, and your HR team. Third up, we have the candidate experience. And your brand isn't just your website, it's the journey through the interview process. Is it frictionless or are there any pain points? Is the process professional? Finally, we look at data integrity. Are your hiring decisions based on gut feel, or are we measuring quality of hire and source of hire in terms of our performance metrics? Another piece that the recruitment audit covers, which is an instant money saver for organizations, is looking at the preferred supplier list. This is the hidden bloat in almost every company that I talk to and that I've worked with in the past as well. Most organizations have a list of agencies they have used for years and years. But what is that list really costing you in terms of quality versus margin? I look at all of the agency partners that you work with, but really focusing and honing in on that top 10%. Are they actually delivering or are they just collecting fees? We think about shifting that relationship. So instead of service provider, we look at moving them to strategic partner. We optimize the terms to ensure they are incentivized for quality, specifically retention and cultural fit, not just placement. By pruning this list and aligning the partners that you have, you don't just save money on your fees, but you reclaim your team's time from managing low performing vendors. The biggest mistake companies make is conducting an audit and then treating the findings as a shelf item. My approach is very different. It ends with a 90-day execution roadmap. In the first 30 days, we focus on stabilization. We purge the inefficient PSL or preferred supplier list. We implement standardized scorecards for interviews and clear the backlog of stalled roles. In the second 30 days, we move to integration. We focus on training your hiring managers on the new interview frameworks to ensure consistency, thinking about how we remove that unconscious bias. And we embed objective assessment tools to help reduce this. Finally, in the last 30 days, we focus on optimization. We look to establish a dashboard for executive reporting that tracks actual quality of hire metrics, not just vanity volume metrics. We don't just diagnose the problem, we implement the new hiring criteria and ensure the team is equipped to execute. So, if you're an executive leader who is feeling that hiring drag, or perhaps you just want to know if your recruitment engine is fit for the next phase of growth, check out my website, torbemolton.com. It outlines how I work with leadership teams to conduct these audits. My goal is simple: to make sure your people strategy is the catalyst for business success and not the bottleneck. Thank you for your time today. Do reach out if you want to have a chat and don't forget to like and subscribe.